Now we get to the landing pages. Landing pages are pages that do not appear in the shop's navigation. They can be reached under the URL of your sales channel, plus the individual URL of your landing page. Landing pages can be perfect, for example, for promotions, like an Easter sale, where the customer only gets to the page when he clicks on the depending link. So now let us create a new landing page. We've got the button Add Landing Page, so just click on it. Then we get to the general settings. Here you have to first configure the basic settings. You have to give the landing page a name. You have to say if the landing page should be active or inactive. And you have to select a sales channel. You've got the opportunity to enter individual tags as well. Down here we have the SEO settings, so you can define the SEO title, description, and SEO keywords down here. Last but not least, you see the SEO URL, and this is a mandatory field. This is the URL under which the landing page can be called up directly. In the last step, we have to assign the layout to our landing page. And just like in the category structure, we've got the possibility to say if we want to assign a layout or create a new layout. We will just assign one. So click on Assign Layout, choose your layout, and click on Save. So you see that your layout now is assigned to the landing page. And down here, you've got the possibility to edit your selected blocks, so you don't have to go to the shopping experience editor again.